Next is China A shares. Once you miss the opportunity, you won't find another one. A shares are like this. Once you miss the opportunity, you won't find another one. I am not saying that it definitely won't rise. It is just what I said. For example, the SCE Composite Index. Rallying from here to here, the easiest money has been made. Whatever we traded, the success rate was very high. Profits everywhere. Stocks just kept rising, rose a lot, including after this consolidation. Another wave up from here. For example, the stocks I mentioned are decent. For instance, some stocks we mentioned are good. For example, China Tourism Group duty-free hit a new high again. It is possible. Like Laplace Renewable Energy Technology, trading Laplace really requires patience. Finally hit a new high. Mark this bottom. This one didn't make much. Sometimes you catch big winners. It was easy to make big money earlier. At this moment, say you trade Iflytech, you might lose money. See, you can lose money too. It won't be that easy to trade. Not that easy. Like this. What might you end up trading? Trading AMEC is not bad. For example, Cambricon. Small wins, small losses. My point is, it won't be as easy as before. Once you miss the opportunity, you won't find another one. So why? Why am I starting to reduce position? Not saying it definitely won't rise. But I think the easy trading period is over. Don't treat me like a god, predicting every rise perfectly. Everything rising as predicted. That is called follow the trend. Follow the trend correctly, because our last follow the trend move was in the Chinext Index and Science and Technology Innovation Board, 50 Index, like from here, and the star 50 to here, all good next. It wasn't so easy. Next we said you should trade the China SCF 50 Index. China SC 50 Index was okay later on, but now it is getting harder. What if it is hard to trade? Reduce your trading capital. Assuming you are still doing well, continue. No problem, but if your trading gets difficult and you start losing money, of course, small wins and small losses at most. Won't be a huge loss. That probability is low because our stock selection logic is like this. Mostly huge gains or small losses, just like that. But assuming your performance isn't like you and me, maybe not like before. I'm not doing great myself right now. I won't brag to you. Look at me trading duty-free, trading that AMEC investment advisory companies will definitely boost around about these things. Look how much our members made. That time has passed. Even I find it hard to trade now, if you are doing well. You are better than me. If you are like me, not doing very well, you should reduce position, right? Decrease trading capital like I. Recently, I moved some funds to a margin trading account. Of course, not to leverage up. I still, for example, one stock if I want to buy 500K. I still buy 500K. I just use margin financing to do it. Why? Because I haven't done it before. I want to try margin accounts allow securities lending. But after asking, they said the source of securities for lending is scarce, very scarce. But you have to be ready. Opportunity favors the prepared mind. I have to try first. Maybe in the future, sources will increase. I need to be in this space. Because this is different from Taiwan's calculation method is different. Results shouldn't differ much. But I just started. There is a chance. The calculation is different. We'll talk about this later.